checking out PK from Smoke Rubber. The transmission is not broken. Thank God. So I just need to drive the car a little bit more. That's all that means. But yeah, I know. All jokes aside, I do let the car sit a little too long sometimes. Just get busy with the kids and work and everything else going on today. And, you know, we feel like we're freer than we've been before, but we're not, right? So anyway, the car sits a little longer than it needs to sometimes. And if you guys are familiar, that's not a great way to keep your battery charged. Parasitic drop, you know, all that. There could always be a number of other causes, and I will still get the car scanned just to be like super sure. But really, you know, I have a stack of records when I bought this car, and there's no reason for me to believe that, you know, something major wasn't looked over, or some of the common maintenance items weren't dealt with. So anyway, I did get the battery tested by AAA, cold and started, and everything looked good. You know, I'll share some quick images about those readouts in a bit. But yeah, luckily this Failsafe error really just has to do with a number of things, but one of these things can almost notoriously be with your battery if it's old or not charged or just, you know, dead, and then consequently it could be your alternator as well. So alternator seems to be fine, battery seems to be fine. I'll get this code scanned just to make sure it's nothing else, but at this point it's really just a quick lesson in making sure you drive your cars. You know, if you don't drive and they sit too long and you don't have a trickle charger or a battery tender, you know you're gonna risk, you know, just killing your battery basically, you know. And so yeah, I'm gonna be driving my car now, and yeah, that's about it, yo. So anyway, I got a couple other videos in mind that are coming up soon. The next one specifically has to do with the rear trunk roundel. Mine's pretty faded and crappy. Just makes the overall car look a little bit bad. But I'm all about, you know, let's go ahead and DIY whatever we can to freshen it up a little bit. And I love it. I always love the look of a nice fresh roundel. It's just that signature BMW look, you know. But anyway, that's what's coming up next. I also have a couple of giveaways in the works. I know you guys have probably heard that in the last video, so do keep in tune for that. I'd love if you go ahead and subscribe and, you know, like and comment. I'd love to hear your feedback from the community and my followers, and future followers for that matter. You'll like some of the stuff that's coming up. A little bit of carbon fiber, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of swag, you know. So hopefully you guys are on board for that. Love to share that with you guys. And yeah, shout out to everybody else out there, you know, working on the cars and, you know, making use of the time where they can. I mean, COVID-19 is no joke. You know, please, everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Wear a mask. I'm not wearing a mask in the car. I don't really understand the controversy behind that, but I think it's quite simple. If I'm in the car without anyone else, I think it's okay if I don't have a mask. I don't know about y'all. But yeah, so yeah, that's that. So yeah, what else? What's everybody else up to? You know, I'd love to hear what projects you guys are working on, what cars you guys are, you know, wrenching on, and, you know, what's happening. BMW guys, Audi, Volkswagen, Lamborghini, Fiat, Opel, whatever it is, I'd love to hear about it. Please take a look at our website when you have a chance. I think you guys like what you see. It's not just supercars and stuff like you see on my Instagram. You know, we're car guys, we're car gals. You know, we love all things automotive. So let's show love to everybody, right? Yeah. Other than that, not much else to share today. Stay tuned for the next video, and I hope to hear from you soon.